If you're looking for a way to make an extra income on this 2026, whether you want to become an host or you want to become an agency on this app, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually make money using this application. Okay, you see this application, Coco, I'm going to be telling you how you can actually use this app and make extra income while you're sitting at home as a young lady or as a young man that prefer to do it. Okay, maybe it is your first time of coming across my channel. My name is Faith. Here I share an app where you can make money online. Any earning app, whether it is a game or survey, live streaming, any earning app I'm doing, I bring it here to share. Okay. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purpose only. I am not sponsored by Coco Life. I'm just doing this video based on my personal experience. Okay. Make sure you do your own research before clicking on Play Store and downloading this app. Okay. Do your own research very well before downloading the application. Now, I'm going to walk you through how you can actually sign up on this application successfully without you getting restricted on the app. Okay, as you can see, sign up. I have an account already. You can see that if you have an account already on this application, all you need to do is for you to click on I have an account already. But if you don't have it, is your first time, you can actually click on sign up. Though I've already have account with them on my second phone, then I'm going, because of this video, I need to create another account for me to show you how you can actually successfully sign up on this application. Okay, you can see that you're going to be using your email or Facebook, but for me, I prefer using my email. If you want to use your Facebook, is okay. Then I'm going to add this email, but I'm thinking that this particular email is the email I used to sign up there, but they're going to cover it because I'm filling a security code here and it went black. But don't worry, I'm going to be putting something here. Okay, so because there is some app, if you want to record some security, they will not allow you because it's your security purpose. Okay, they have to protect your account. Okay, let me just wait small, then this thing will bring out. Okay, okay, I have already added my account here. Okay, now you can see that my if you are female, you choose female. If you are male, choose your gender correctly. Correctly. Do not choose underage. Right now I'm going to go with 1998, okay, which is not my birthday, but I'm going to be choosing it for security reason. There you can see the email is already exist. I think this email is the one I used to sign up on my second phone. Let me just choose another email here and use another no email that I haven't used. Okay, so as you can see, it work out. Then it's going to open. Then you need to get a patient because there is something they're going to be processing. They will ask you to agree or disagree here. Okay, which you're going to be seeing here. Okay, you're going to see warning. What they're going to be actually, as you can see, end user license agreement Coco not. Okay, you can see that the disclaimer is there. You can read it very very well. This is actually the agreement policy. Make sure you read it very well for you not to um enter their problem. Make sure you read their policy very well. Okay, read their policy, then you agree. Do not disagree. Okay, because if you disagree, they're going to log it out of the account immediately. Then you need to agree. You can see that live streaming may occasionally contain images that are suitable. Just make sure you restrict the image. Like if it is not comfortable, they're asking you that maybe the image that pop up is not what you like, you can actually restrict them. Okay, which I say that they should restrict it. Like the image that is not okay, they should restrict it for me. Okay, so because my network is actually not good, but I'm gonna make this feed. Okay, you can see that this is the interface of the app. You can see people that is live. I don't want to go to their live streaming. I don't want to go there because of some security reason. Okay, so you can see that they have live streaming, they have party, they have new beeps. Okay, new beeps party discovered my fans. Okay, which I don't have fans yet on this particular account. Okay, so you can see that people are doing live streaming here. You can see 30 people trying, and like you can see that many people on this live streaming watching them. Okay, Make sure when you go live here, make sure you are vibing, make sure you are interacting with users. Okay, interact with users, because without you interacting with users, you will not be able to achieve what you want mostly. But I'm going to be showing you how you can actually perform the tasks here on this platform. Okay, let me just show you something. You can see that each life I'm seeing now, you can see that 26, 28 people, 27, 28, 71. Depend on the person that is doing live streaming. Depend on the vibe you give people. People will stay on your life. You know what happen when people are staying your life on this type of live streaming. Okay, you can. This is the newbie that just opened their live streaming. Okay, this is the newbie that just opened their live streaming and they are doing their tax. It does not mean that people are not here. People there, but my network is actually not really good when I'm recording this part. Okay, let me just show you something. This is their party. If you go to their party, you can see that people are already there, um partying, making friends. The good thing about you're gonna make friends. That is the good thing about this app. Friends. You can see they are cooking. I don't want to put their voice on this video because of YouTube, okay? And they're actually um playing music, okay? Which if I put it now, it might turn out something else here on YouTube. So, copyright issue, okay? So the I want to come up from here and they asked me to. Okay, let me just move here because I want to come out here. You can see what they're doing, singing, gisting in. Let me just go to another live stream and show you something. This app is actually for matured ones only. It's for matured ones. You can see that. Let me just come off from here. You can see the party, 14 people, 7 people, and as a host that is hosting the party, you need to be on the live with makeup. You need to be look beautiful as a host. But though, if you want to close your camera, it's okay. But if you're a lady and you are going for Coco to make extra income, I would advise you, do not close your camera. Okay? Do not close your camera at all. Just make sure you feel yourself vibe. You're gonna get gifters. Trust me, there is some of my students that is on this particular application. That is the reason why I'm making this video. Okay, just make sure you dress very well because you're going to make friends that are going to be gifting you. Okay, there is some people that will make friends with and the person decided to gift you a huge amount of diamond on this application. Okay, let me just go and show you something. Okay, these are people that is live streaming here. Okay, and I need to show you something so that you not be like it is not working. This app is actually working. Men are also streaming on this application. As you can, this person is actually cover the camera. He's a man. He covered the camera and he's actually playing music here, which I don't want to um turn on the music because of YouTube copyright. Okay, you can see men is actually here and they are streaming. They are streaming and making friends also. Not only women are going to this application. As a man, you can go there and make friends with another country. Okay. Okay, so this application is not all about making money, but you can actually meet someone on this app. Okay, you can actually meet someone that is ready to do everything for you as a lady, or as a man you can also go there and make friends as well. Okay, so let me just click and you can see discover. Let me just refresh and come out on this place. Okay, and show you how you can actually do your tax, withdraw your money, because you can actually perform your tax here. Okay, make sure you watch this video carefully because I will make sure that I will explain everything step by step so that you can actually know the one you can actually do. Okay, now you can see agency, you can see tax, you can see become a Coco rescuer, you can see manage bouncer, you can see a lot of, you can see Coco promoter. If you want to invite your friends, you can actually click on this invite code. You're going to get a code that you're going to send to your friends. and your friends will put that particular code where they are joining the app, and you'll be getting commission. Okay, let me just be clear. This is what they said. This is what Coco said, not me. Okay, you can see that, to be clear, we are not taking diamonds from your friends. They keep 100% of what they make, and you will get 10% bonus from Coco. Okay, the Coco is the one that going to be sending you 10%. Once you invite your friends, they're the one that going to be sending you that 10% of diamond. Okay, so you can see that become a bonus. Let me check here. If you click on invite code, you're going to see that if you're I'm going to be putting my invite code there. You can actually use it as well. Then you will confirm it. Okay, so let me just go, and here you're sure you want to, which I don't want to, I just mistakenly click on it. Okay, let me just show you how you can go about it. Now, if you invite your friends, you can actually tell them to put your invite code. Okay, maybe later they have signed in with that invite code. You can actually tell them, okay, use my invitation code. They can use the invitation code and sign in. You're gonna be getting commission. Or you're this type of person that is always love to become an agent. If you're an agent on different app, you know how agencies work. Okay? I don't want to talk too much. You know how agency work. You need to be inviting people that will be under you. If you're this type of person that's always work as an agency, you can actually apply to be an agency. Okay, apply to be an agent. That is another way you can make extra income on this application. I told you that I'm not going to hide anything here on this video. Okay, because I know a lot of people that have been making some diamond here, just extra cash here, just by being an agency. But being you an agency, you need to have an active host. Okay, without you having an active host that can actually stream, that can actually do their tax, you cannot be able to get commission. If you are working as an agency, you will know what I'm talking about. Okay, now if you click on the tax center, you're going to bring out this place that they will ask you life tax, life level detail. You can see that 40 diamond for hour is there already. As you can see that you need 3,600 to level up to that is 80. Okay, because this one, if you stay on the live streaming for 1 hour, you're gonna receive this 40 diamond. Okay, this 40 diamond. Then you can see that once maybe you have a gifter that can gift you on this application, you can actually gain up to 3,600 coins. Then you will level up to 80 diamond. Okay, if you have someone that will gift you more, the person can actually gift you more, and you will be going live streaming here doing your tax. Okay, that like other live streaming app as well. Okay, you know that live streaming app you can actually upgrade. Okay, but here you can still, you see, you still need 3,600 to level up. Okay, now I'm going to be clicking on this level up rule so that I can actually understand you, so that you too that is watching this video can actually understand how you can actually performing this task, okay, successfully, and you will know how you can actually level up step by step in order for you to meet your target. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on this level up now. So when I click on it, so that you can actually understand this tax very well, you can see 00. That is if you don't have the diamond, if you don't see people that give to you for hour. Like if you stay for live stream for 1 hour, maybe you are streaming, vibing, don't even know where you're going to be reaching that particular 1 hour you will reach, then you're going to be receiving 40 diamond. Okay, so you can see that uh the first one is 3,600. That is the one I talk about. You can see that 3,600, you're gonna earn 80 diamond per hour. Okay, you can see that second, you can see that 10,880. If you receive this amount of diamond, you're gonna be earning 136 diamond per hour. Then if you earn 27,200, you're gonna earn 218 per hour. Then if you earn up to 40,800, you're gonna earn 272 diamond per payout. Okay, this is how this place work. Okay, and if you have somebody that can be gifting you, if you have a genuine friend that are willing to support you on this application, and you are vibing on, once you are vibing and people are gifting you, you're going to be earning from the gifter. And once you stop with your lesson, you can actually come here and receive this particular diamond as well. Okay, is it not something? It's actually something, because this diamond we they see here, it is like, for me is okay, but might be seeing it small like this, but it is something. We all know what diamond is all about. Okay, so you can see that here you have different type of a thing here, which let me just show you. This is how you can actually become that agency. Apply to become an agency. You're going to click submit. As you can see, you have joined an agency already, which I already have an agency on my second account. Okay, so you can actually click here and you will submit it. Any question they ask you, then make sure you go down and explain everything. Then you click and become an agency and start inviting people. Okay, if you become an agency, you need to start inviting people. If you invite people on this application, give them your code, you invite code, and give them your agency ID so that they can actually enjoy your agency on this application. Okay, that is the way a lot of people are making income. So okay, let me just share it here so that you can actually know how you can actually make extra income using this application. This application is very, very nice. Okay, I've been working with them for since last year, November. I've been working with them. Okay, and the platform is pretty. I haven't encountered any problem with Coco before. Both my hosts, they haven't encountered anything. That is what's okay. Let me just share it because someone might be interested on this type of application. Okay, so now you can see that. Let me just show you how you can actually withdraw. Here is show discovered page. Okay, this is, I usually want to delete the account, which I don't want to delete this account yet, but I go to delete it because I have other account that is existing. Because if I exist it for long, they might ban my main account, which I don't want that. Okay, if you want to clear the story, you can clear it here. Okay, so you can put your profile picture. Make sure you upload the profile picture. If you are going there to work, if you are going there to chat, upload your profile picture. Always respond to the messages. Very, very important. Respond to messages. Very, very important. Okay. Okay, so this is the how you can actually withdraw your money on the app. So let me just show you how to withdraw here. This is zero time because I don't have diamond on this account yet, and my network is crazy. Okay, let me just come back. Okay, I'm gonna be using some video to put on this thing because network is actually crazy when I'm recording this video. If you click on the diamond, you're gonna see that you're gonna bring you're gonna load. First of all, you're gonna legitimately just wait, let this thing load first. I will show you how you can actually withdraw on this application. Okay, note, you can withdraw with your USDT, and you can withdraw with your local bank. Depend on where you're from, depend on your country. It depend on your country. Check, like if you earn diamond or you receive diamond from your tax, you can actually check your payment method, because once you earn diamond, your payment method is going to appear, and you're going to see where you're going to be withdrawing your money, whether it is your local bank or any online app. Okay, so just make sure you cross check it very well. Okay, which mine Togo here is a USDT and ePay. You can actually check your country as well to know if it is the same, because different country with their own different payment method. Okay, and also check if this application is working on your country very, very well. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye.